Mr. Ash Mufareh's love for founders and affiliates is stronger than any fear of opposition. His fear of the opposition is dwarfed by his massive love for not only his founders and affiliates, but also for humanity. He knows that very soon changes will happen to common people that have never happened before. The reason is that you now have a man whose heart synchronizes with other hearts to work together for a common cause. We're in the commercial part of this planet, and not all people in positions of power think about the common people. They are mostly interested in their own success, not the success of people who need it. So what do? They structure their companies to make the public think they are doing good, when in fact, it is all a charade. Only those who understand business, especially the technology side, know when companies are unfair to people. It is obvious they don't have Mr. Ash Mufareh's heart. Their whole structure relies on making money from people using their products and solutions. These companies know how to please the public. They go public. By launching an IPO, initial public offering, the process where a private company sells shares to the public for the first time, they generate massive amounts of money. Once public, the company is no longer controlled solely by private owners. The founders can retain more shares than anyone and even issue more shares. So who benefits? Only those who can afford to buy stock. Then comes Mr. Ash Mufareh, a man with a heart of compassion and love for humanity. That love creates enemies, but his compassion for people is greater than his fear of opposition. If the opposition thought Mr. Mufareh would run away like a dog with its tail between its legs, they picked the wrong person. They are shocked he remains in business, yet they can't figure out what he's doing, how he's accomplishing it, or what stage he's in. I am sure many technology CEOs go to bed each night worried about what Mr. Mufareh and his team will spring on them. Founders and affiliates, do yourselves a favor. Stop saying, if Mr. Mufareh's company will launch. Stop saying, I believe it's going to launch, or I think it's going to launch. These phrases create doubt in your mind, and doubt weakens your faith in Mr. Mufareh and his team.
Some build their castles high on Wall Street sand, selling paper dreams, forgetting the common man. IPO smiles, charades in the light, taken from the many for the few's delight. But one man sees clearer, stands firm on the ground. His heart beats a rhythm, a different sound.
Oh, the opposition shouts, tries to force him down. Thinks he'll run and hide, leave this broken town. But his love burns brighter than their darkest fears.
This revolution's not for sale, built on compassion, it will prevail. Stronger than the fear they try to sow. For the founders, affiliates, the people below.
Hearts synchronize, a common call. Ash Mufareh's love will lift us all. No IPO needed, just truth in his eyes, raising humanity right before they're surprised.
They scratch their heads wondering where's he gone now. What's he building secretly, when, why, and how? Tech CEOs tremble in the dead of the night, fearing what emerges in the dawning light. A platform for learning, a bridge through the screen, reaching every dreamer, making the impossible seen. Costing next to nothing, tearing down the old wall. This isn't just business, it's justice for all.
Yeah, they thought compassion meant he'd back down slow, like a beaten dog with nowhere to go. But is it love for the people, is his armor and shield?
This revolution's not for sale, built on compassion, it will prevail. Stronger than the fear they try to sow. For the founders, affiliates, the people below.
Hearts synchronize, a common call. Ash Mufareh's love will lift us all. No IPO needed, just truth in his eyes, raising humanity right before they're surprised.
Founders, affiliates, hear this decree. Banish the if, the maybe, set your faith free. Doubt is the poison, faith is the key. Patient waiters, future's bright, just wait and see.
He doesn't stop working, levels yet to unfold. Digital solutions worth more than gold. For humanity's sake, the story's been told. Synchronize